Okay, so we know what a prime number is. A prime number is a number that only has two factors, 1 and itself. So for example, 7 is a prime number because it's only got two factors, 1 and 7. And we know that 1 is not a prime number because it only has one factor, itself, 1. 24 is what we call a composite number because it has lots of factors. It's got 1 and its pair 24, 2 and 12. 3 goes into it because if I add 4 and 2, 2 plus 4, that equals 6. So that must be in the 3 times table. So 3 goes into 24 8 times. 4 goes into 24. 4 goes into 24 6 times. Okay, now we'll try 5. 5 doesn't go into 24 because 24 doesn't end with 5 or a 0. So 5 is not a factor of 24. So the factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Super, that's called a composite number. Now, working with composite numbers, we can break them down into their prime factors. So that's what we're going to look at today. So let's look at this number, question 22, 50. You need to find two numbers that multiply together to make 50. So I'm going to use 5 and 10. Now I'm going to look at my two numbers and look for prime numbers. And 5 is a prime number, so I'm going to stop and circle that number there. 10 is not a prime number. 10 is composite. So I need to find two numbers that multiply together to make 10. And we're going to put 5 and 2. 5 is a prime number and 2 is a prime number. So therefore we have found the prime factors of 50. So that's 5 times 2. We can write that as 5 squared multiplied by 2. Both those answers are correct. Now you might have gone about that question in a different way. You might have said, well, 50, I know that that's 25 multiplied by 2. 2 is a prime number. 25 is 5 multiplied by 5. And they are prime numbers. So we're going to stop there. You still get the same answer. So you've still got the same answer here. So that was question 22. Let's have a look at 23. So we're going to think about 36. I'll change my colour to make it easier. So we're going to think about 36. 36 is a composite number. And we're going to find two numbers that multiply together to make 36. So two factors of 36. So I'm going to use 12 and 3. You might have used two different numbers. You might have used 6 and 6. For example, you might have used 18 and 2. But I've chosen to use 12 and 3. 3 is prime, so I'm going to stop at 3. I'm now going to work on this branch here because 12 is a composite number. 12 is 6 and 2. 2 is a prime number, so I'm going to stop here on this branch and I'm going to work on this branch because 6 is a composite number and 6 is 3 multiplied by 2. So I'm going to stop there and I'm going to say 36 is the same as 3 times 2 times 2 times 3. And I can tidy that up a little bit to say, let's put all the 2's together. So 2 times 2, and let's put the 3's together, times 3 times 3. Which I'm going to tidy up again, which is 2 squared times by 3 squared. So that's my little video today on prime factors.